Hey, you guys. Okay, my house is a total, utter mess. I'm just gonna show you. Oh my God, look at this mess. Look, 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 look. Crafter. I'm not even gonna go around there. But today I just got something from Amazon. And I really don't know what I ordered, so let's open it up. Let's just say I hope this is something that I ordered, I guess. I don't remember. I, per se, don't remember ordering anything amazing. So, we got a pen in here, got a money marker. Oh my God. Order nothing off of Amazon, because if I order something off of Amazon, that means it was just a couple of days ago and I should remember what I ordered. So did somebody try to surprise me with another gift? This is really, really weird. Then it's going to be really, really crazy when I figure out what it is and be like, oh, I did order that. Oh, I did order. What? So, you guys, this, let me say this box because I like the way it opened up. This is it. Can you see it? Let me make sure you can see it. That's my, don't say about my post office thing. I can do that. All right. These are way smaller than what I thought they were. So I think I'm, what? That's why I should have went today. All right. They do Amazon shipping, but here it is, here it is. It's my Michael Kors bag, you guys. So, when I say next time, this is probably the size that I thought it was, this one. The next time I'm just gonna go in person. That's what I mean. I don't like buying stuff off the website. And where is my, where's my tag? Oh, perfecto. Yep. Perfecto. So, that's that. I guess that's a good way to conceal it because it popped up in the neighborhood with all these some thieving people out here would have stole it. So, yeah, I'm gonna say my neighbors are thieves. They are. Because guess what? When COVID was here, I ordered some masks for my kids to wear to school, and they got delivered to the wrong house and they stole. They never gave them back to me. So they're thieves. That's that little bag right there. That's 2. I wonder how many did I order. It's like 4 or 5. So must have been 4. And I'm have to double check though. I thought it was 5. But again, I could be mistaken. They pack it so well. That's that one. That's cute. So it doesn't damage that. And this last one right here, which is actually cute, but I don't like pink. But I know y'all do. Y'all little girly girls. I just bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So, I guess pictures to come. I'm just gonna, because I'm gonna end up taking it back out later. Yay! I was just thinking about this stuff. So that is that, my friends. Oh.